First, ensure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. From now on, when you receive a video call request, you will notice a new feature below your profile picture, a small camera icon with turn off your video. This feature is currently rolling out gradually, so if you don't see it yet, just hang tight, it should be available to you soon. Now tap on it to turn off your video. Your video will be turned off. Then, slide up the Accept Without Video button at the bottom to join the call. The call will connect with your camera off. The other person will see your profile picture instead of live video, while you will still see them as usual. You can turn your camera back on any time during the call if you want. This feature lets you maintain privacy and control over your video before accepting a call. So that's how you can turn off your video before answering a WhatsApp video call.